Hello and welcome. This is Amanda, the Nerdy Krafter, and I wanted to come to you today with the last of the flip throughs of the cards I made for my Art Impressions Advent Calendar. So I've done 2 videos, 1 through 9 and 8 through 16. So we have the last of them here. So let's flip through these. This one is card 17, 18, and I love this one. This one was probably one of my favorites. I've got a few favorites. 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, and last but not least, 24. Thank you again so much for following me on this journey. I will take still shots of each of these and have them posted over the next month. But thank you so much. I so appreciate you joining me on this journey. It has been so much fun and really got me back into my crafting spirit. So I hope you have a wonderful Christmas, a great new year, and I will see you back in 2026.